Today I'm going to show you how I make my fall themed soaps with linden tea and coconut milk. I add the tea to ice, then I add chilled coconut milk to the tea mixture. Next we'll add in our yogurt. This will make it nice and creamy. Carefully add in your lye into the mixed yogurt, tea, and coconut milk. Please use your safety precautions at this time, as always when making soap. Stir in the lye until well dissolved. You may see bits of coconut milk in the lye mixture, but that's okay. We're going to chill our lye mixture in an ice bath to bring it down to room temperature. I add a little bit of sodium lactate to make my bar harder. Mix the sodium lactate in well. Next, we'll begin to add the oils to a large mixing bowl. I start off with my coconut oil. Then we'll add in some olive oil. Next, a bit of lard. And finally, we'll add some castor oil to increase the bubbles in our bar of soap. Now we're ready to stick blend all of our oils together. We want to make sure that they're well blended. I even add a bit of kaolin clay into the mixture so that it will hold the fragrance oils better. Now I'm separating a little bit, maybe 1 to 2 ounces of the oils to mix it in my colors. I'm starting off with some Slug Bug Yellow from Muddy Soap Co. And I'm using about a teaspoon or so of mica for the color here. We're going to fragrance our yellow soaps with some lemon pound cake from Candle Science. Mix in your fragrance oil well into the mica and oils. Next, my next color is going to be Little Corvette Red from Muddy Soap Co. with a little bit of Slug Bug Yellow from Muddy Soap Co. as well as some Hunter Safety Orange from Muddy Soap Co. And I'm going to create a nice fall orange color for my pumpkin scented soap. Mix in the fragrance oils until well blended. For our last color, we're going to do a little bit of each red to combine and make a unique red color for my candy apple scented soap. Blend the colors well together so you have a nice even red color. Mix in your fragrance oil and stir well. We're going to restir our lye mixture again just to get it all mixed up. And then we're going to slowly and carefully add the lye mixture into our large bowl of oils. Now we want to stick blend all of the oils with the lye mixture for just a minute or two until you reach a nice thin trace. Now we're going to separate our batter into 3 equal parts. We're going to stick blend just enough to mix in our color well. Now that we have all of our batters mixed very well and our colors are all ready to go, we can pour our soap into the molds. I stick blended my soap a little long, so my batter tended to thicken up quickly on me, so you might want to pour quickly if this happens to you. But we'll make the best of it. After the soaps cure for a bit, I will plane the back of the soap so they have a nice smooth finish on the back. After about 24 hours, you can unmold your soaps. I would let them cure for about 4 to 6 weeks. Thank you again for watching. Happy soaping.